Welcome to DelphStack. Today, we will fix the could not enter matchmaking error in Valorant. First, close Valorant and Riot Client completely using Task Manager. Then, open them again to restart the connection. If the issue continues, restart your router or modem and wait a few seconds. It helps clear temporary network congestion and improves server connectivity. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run these commands. ipconfig/flush DNS and netcache Winsock reset. This clears DNS cache and resets network settings. Also, disable any VPN or proxy because it may block Riot servers. You can also switch network adapter off and on to refresh routing. This can improve routing stability and fix matchmaking errors. If servers are down, wait and try again after some time. Finally, restart your PC and try matchmaking again. Update your Riot client if the issue still persists. Last step, ensure your system drivers and network drivers are updated. Thanks for watching.